Here is my first roadside sale for 2025. Take a look. It's in my driveway. Happy Father's Day to everyone today. Today is June the 15th, 2025. Happy Father's Day. Let me show you the bouquets that I have. Everything is $5. These Belvedere lilies are absolutely fabulous. My first dahlias with the sweet peas and a little lemon verbena. And look, here's a little sea holly back there with the Belvedere lilies. I always like to put in eucalyptus with my arrangements because eucalyptus, the flower meaning is protection and strength. And look at the feverfew, it's just fabulous. So this is a self-serve honor system. Everything's $5. So that I can just work in the garden today, because Sunday is my gardening day. So I don't want to, spend time monitoring this, right? Over here, I have my little certified certificate, my little cash box. I have a lot of gardening to do. So I'm going to get back to gardening and just let my little roadside stand do its thing. I have 18 arrangements today. All right, let me know what's going on in your garden. And if you like to stay with me on this flower growing journey, please subscribe. I'm enrolled in the Floret flower arranging class. So I'll keep you updated about that as well. All right, happy gardening and happy Father's Day to all the wonderful fathers out there and godfathers. Just any man that's doing his thing, taking care of his family, his community. God bless you. Bye, Martha from Monterey Bay, Zone 10, California.